In this video, we will show you how to find or update information related to the solutions available on the Joinup platform. We've improved the way such individual solutions are displayed, aiming to make it easier to share and reuse them. As an example of how to navigate the solutions page, we will use the European Interoperability Reference Architecture, or ERA. While in the Solutions menu, click on the ERA tile. Behind the Overview button, you will find the releases. Further down, you will find the related solutions displayed in a series of tiles. By clicking on Members, you can identify eGovernment experts involved in the development and use of the selected solution. Go to the About button to find more in-depth information. Finally, if you are the author, you may use the Plus button to publish more content such as new releases or any other information relevant to the solution.